Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. Today I will be discussing few basic maths related commands in Microsoft Excel. So first of all I will be discussing few basic arithmetic commands like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponentiation. So suppose I want to add 5 with 5. So I will be using this command enter. So it is giving me addition of two numbers. I want to subtract suppose 5. I want to subtract 5 from 5, so equal to 5 minus 5, that will give me 0. So I want to multiply 5 with 5, so equal to 5 star 5 asterisk 5. 5 multiplied with 5, so it is giving me 25, equal to 5 divided by 5, it is giving me 1. And I want to take exponentiation of 5, and I mean to say power is 2, so it is giving me again 25. Now after that, suppose I want to sum up 5 entries. Entries are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I want to sum up all these 5 entries here. So what is the formula for that? So the function or the formula for that is equal to sum. So this I will be selecting here, and I will be selecting the range here, and then bracket close, enter. So it is giving me the sum of all these 5 entries, right? Thereafter I want to take the average of all these 5 entries. So for that purpose, equal to AVE, if I am typing here, it is automatically showing me this command average, and selecting the range and then bracket close, enter. It is showing me the average of now all these 5 entries. Thereafter I want to decide the minimum entry out of these 5. So for that purpose, equal to minimum of what, of all these 5 entries, and bracket close, enter. That is 10, that is okay, that is right. And I want to take the maximum of all these 5 entries. Again max function is there, and then select the range and close the bracket, enter. And maximum entry is 50. So in such a way, some basic mathematics related commands I have discussed here in Microsoft Excel. I hope this will be quite useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.